If you want to organize Apps Screen or the App Drawer on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, let me show you what you can do here in the App Drawer. So the first thing that you can do is, of course, change position of these apps and folders that you have in here. If I want to, let's say, move, let's say, this app over here to a new page, then I can easily do so. You just have to drag it all the way to this empty App Drawer page, and there we go. Now I have a new page with this selected app. Of course, if there is nothing left on a page, then that empty page is going to be removed, unlike on the home screen. And of course, we can also go back to previous pages as well. Now, besides that, we can, of course, create folders over here, like we have Samsung and Google folders here as an example. So if you want to create a folder, you can either drag and drop one app into another one, just like that. Then here you can set up the name folder, and the folder name and then you can use this plus button to include even more apps into that folder, or you can just keep adding more apps into that folder exactly the same way. But besides that, you can also press and hold your finger on an app that you have in the app drawer, and then here we have the select option, and then if you select two apps or more, then we have the create folder option here at the top, so you can use it to also create a folder. If you want to remove it, you can easily drag every app that you have inside that folder outside of that folder, just like that, and if there is just one app left in the folder, then that folder is going to be automatically removed. Or you can press and hold your finger on the folder and choose to delete it. There we go. Every app that was in that folder is going to be brought back to the app drawer, of course. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can tap on these three dots here in the upper right corner, and here we have, for example, clean up pages option. This option allows you to fill every blank page. So if you have home screen pages, if you have multiple pages and there are lots of empty spaces between these pages, then this option allows you to fill those empty spaces. And then, of course, if you are happy with the result, you can tap on apply to apply the change, but you can also tap on cancel if you change your mind. And also we have the sort option. So of course the custom order allows you to have these home screen pages. You can decide how many pages you need. You can place any app in any position in the app drawer, and that's pretty much all. But besides that, you can also switch to the alphabetical order, which removes pages, but then you can swipe up and down on this list. Now this list is alphabetical, and we have the classic Android experience now, so you can just scroll up and down on this list. You can still use folders. They are also sorted alphabetically, and that's all. Of course, if you change your mind, just go back to sort and choose custom order to revert that change, and nothing is changed in between. You still get your old layout back. And of course, we can also go to settings over here to jump to the home screen settings, where you can, for example, change the apps screen grid over here, so you can use 5x6 instead of 4x6 if you wish to have more apps in a single page. And I believe that's pretty much it. So leave a like and subscribe.